Okay, everyone, we're going to continue where we left off, which was somewhere. Got the camera. What was I doing? That's right, I was going to space them. I do need to fix their orientation, though. I can come up with a better way to do that. Let's see. Here. Okay, maybe not. Yes, if I add a little delay, I can. Just like a delay of 0.1 to make sure the player slides into whatever place they're sliding into. That broke it. Oh, there we go. Oh, why are you... James? Okay, let's see if I can figure out what exactly happened. I did not mean to fall off. Looks like I'm removing that delay. Ah, I see. The delay's in the wrong spot. There we go. It was having problem with finding the location. They're still a little bit crooked sometimes. Hmm. Let's get specifically the paper 2D component. No, paper flip a book, that's what I want. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to cast a character. That. That's supposed to be an R. I can remove this delay. That would be the one. World? Probably relative. Split that. So now if I come at a weird angle, they all should face. Huh, the middle one's not. Why is that? Oh, that one's really wrong. Hold up a second. Oh. Access none on spawner? I should have this go like this firstly. And then let's take this. Paste it down here. Let's actually keep the X and Y of the character and then use the Z of the local rotation, or relative rotation rather. Okay. They're all kind of sideways. Those are really sideways. Okay, so I'm just going to completely undo all that. Unless I also add it here. No, I'll just undo it. Let's get rid of that. It wasn't that big of an issue. I can fix that later. Let's see if it still gives me that random error. So it looks like I messed up the rotation that kind of goes like that. Why did I invert the rotation to begin with? I shouldn't need to do that if they're both... Oh no. Yeah, no, I don't need to invert the rotation because it's the same on both sides. There's three of them, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's hit it at this angle. Okay, that seems like it solved pretty much all my rotation issues. I don't know why I thought I would need the invert rotation when it's the same on both sides. So I need some type of timer and other thing. I need another interface that goes to all NPCs. Well, yeah. Yeah, I'll do it all to all NPCs. Or all characters, rather. That will begin. So I don't think I need any inputs or outputs, rather. Where's class defaults? Right there, class settings. Let's remove the 2-player. I don't want that to be associated like that. That's the wrong one. Battle effects. I'll rename this to just battle, and this will have all the battle stuff. Class settings. To character. That's the wrong one. I did the same thing. Okay, I forgot to compile it. I need a type of widget that will handle, or so you know how long it's happening. That'll width, I suppose. Border. I need a progress bar. This is the one that has percentages, right? Oh, yep, right here, left to right. Okay, here we go. This will just be a slightly transparent bluish, maybe grayish. I guess like that. I'll do 0.5% or 50% rather, left to right. Padding, don't need any of that. you need to be hooked to, or I guess to the center. That will work. 0.5, 0.5. You need to be skinnier. I don't want to do it like that. Sure, 20 by, let's do 150 and 10. Did I have something to the widget that also call encounter? No, I don't want to do it like that. I want it to be controlled by the individual character. Uh, yeah, update. Update. What did I call the bar? Bat time. I'll just call it bat time. Wood. This needs an input of a float. This will be %. That's not correct. Oh, hold up. Hold up, hold up. I could do min and max time and then calculate % inside the widget, but that might have to be the way I go. I'll wait to do that. Let's add the widget component. I think this one. World, it will be on screen. Widget class will be the battle time wood comp. This needs to be moved up about right there. Let's see what happens. Okay, so if I go like that, how big? Yeah, that's okay sizing. I'm just going to copy and paste this into the enemy right there. Make sure it's part of the flipbook. And then by default, it will have no, by default it will be visible. No, it will only be visible during battle, so on start I need to hide it. So right when the actor starts. No, because okay, no. Yeah, I'll think I'll just have this as hidden by default. Not hidden, visible. Not visible. Set visibility to true. One thing I need to do is also make sure I can't keep doing it the way I have been, so I need to wait for this to be completed. I'm going to add a delay of like 10 seconds. after they all spawn and then destroy them because I can't, because I haven't implemented damage or anything. Uh, get all actors of class. For each. That's not correct. Destroy you. Okay. I need to hook that to battle end instead. Okay, so yes, they will go. That, I guess that can stay here for now. Maybe this one. Unless it's called something special. It's just called visibility. I'll try this one, I suppose. Oh, hold up. I don't think I hooked this up to anything. Yep, I didn't. I want, actors of class with interface. Okay, here we go. My mouse hurts for a second. I really need a new mouse. And then this should go to all of them. I need to make sure the same. Okay, here. Set visibility to true. Okay, that should be everything. No, I need to set your visibility to hidden first. Okay, yeah, that functions. I also need to be able to update it. Can I run a function from this to here? I added an interface, but could I just do a custom event here? Why is my music date maybe progress bar? Let's add a print string to start. This will tell me if it is. Nope, I can't call one of those, so I have to do it from an interface. That's fine. That's not correct. There we go. That should solve my problem. What did I must have... Okay, yeah. I don't know why it's in the player. I'm just gonna... Okay, where's the... What? Here it is. Oh, update back tool. Progress bar. What was I doing? Here, this is what I need. Okay, so it should only be happening from the player. It should be only one hello. Well, that's wrong. I guess I could make it more obvious. Maybe I just missed it and it got flooded out by the others. That helps a lot. What is it called? Okay, it's just called percent. Yeah, I'll just set percent to 0. That will make it really obvious. Okay, so it is not going through. And that's probably because it cannot read this value to push it, so I need to get all widgets of class. The class will be the time thing, this, you. Okay. Oh, no, oh, that's not good. They're not replicated. Unless I had it in the enemy also. No, I did not. So, oh, get all widgets. I need to get only the widget that the player has. Um, Unless I can get widget off of here. This might return what I want. Okay, yep, that's what I want. So I need two floats, a max and a min. That's not right. Where? I thought you were right there. I have too many of the. Oh, here it is. No, not max and min, it's max and current, I believe. That's a float and then max. Okay, I need a division. I can never remember which number is what, so this should be a very small bar. Okay, that should be 1/10, 1 divided by 10. Okay, yep, that's correct. So max current divided by max time. Okay, so I'll need some type of timer. Oh, that one. I need to update this constantly, so I might have to move it. I'll figure that out later. Okay, guess it's not create. Make. Time. Huh? Okay, here we go. It will be from this event. Is this current time? How long to wait before? Hmm. Let's get. So that's current. How would I reset it? Let's add a like 0.1 delay. Or maybe 0.2 would be better. I should add an output to this to see if it needs to reset or not. I'm not understanding what I think it wants or something. Let's just do this and see if anything breaks. Be sure to save everything just in case it does break. Okay, that's not their desired result. Why are you warning? Oh yeah, you're now a function. I forgot about that. Current time over max time. And then there. I'll run a separate check if current time is ever over max time, and then that will pass reset. Okay, yeah, so that's actually what I was going for. Okay, it will actually reset itself. No need for that reset. I'm not going to change it from a function though, so it's going to just stay like that. So you will reset by yourself. Max time, I need a new variable. Now that will be, the max time will be based off of attack. No, I actually still need resets, so I know if I have to break this or not. If it's ever true, do that. And then I want custom event attack. I need to move this. This should not be connected here. That's going to complicate things a little bit. It should be fine though. So I need a new variable. This will be max attack time. And the new will also be over here. And as long as reset is false, it will continue to update. Once it's true, it needs to look for a new attack. And then I'll have, let's do a random integer. Random float. Is there a random float? Random in range. Random float. Okay, yes. I want it to be at least 5 seconds with a max of 20. We will set this to max time. And then I need all of this to be copied. That's not what I'm going to do. You need to go over here. There we go. Create variable. Custom event. Attack. Refresh. Okay, there we go. So if attack is ever true, we'll find a new attack of a different time. Why do you have an issue? Okay. That should be what I desire. Nope, that's all completely wrong. Let's see. Let's refresh them just in case. There's probably a lapse within a connection somewhere. Okay, I see. Maybe. Let's have this be here. False. False will delay loop back. True will stop it. I wonder if I can reset that somehow. This might help with what I was doing. Let's just see. No. Unless, no. I was going to say unless it doesn't have the authority to check it. Or maybe they're all trying to use the same timer and it's messing things up. Time elapsed max time. Delay. No, it will set. Okay, that wouldn't have done anything. This should actually go first. That's not what I'm meant to do. False will continue updating it, new will get new. Okay. So if I disconnect these, does that allow the player to do its thing? Nope, there has to be a lapse within trying to get the widget somewhere. Let's hook this back up. Okay, in the player. Does it dislike the random range? If I were to say, yeah, if I just set that to 10. That's not what I meant to do. So it's not the random range. Unless I inverted these. Nope. Let's refresh this. Let's set these back to how it was. Oh, wait. No, this is an interface that should work. That wouldn't be the problem. Maybe it's failing before the timer. Okay, so it's not even getting to the timer, which means I think I disconnected it somewhere. Attack. Oh. I'm stupid. Okay, here we go. Forgot to call this function here. Yes, all of these are different, so they do work independently. So then I need to get rid of this, whatever this is up here. Where are those? Is it in the behavior tree? Is that where it is? It might be. AI, enemy, in here, in here. No, oh, maybe it's in the player. Yep, it's in the player. Print string. Attack. Let's have this be 10 seconds. This. Where's the enemy at? There. E, new attack. Compile save. U will be that color, I suppose. Let's go to the widget. So if current time is ever greater than or equal to max time, it will reset. I hope that's what I want. Let's see. Okay, no, it's not being set like that. Which means there's there's something to do within the timer. So how do I make it so you're... Okay, looping. If I do looping, will it go longer than the time I want? Let's see. No, it still gets reset. So this is forever false. Okay, let's see if I can edit the settings of the timer. Let's break to see. Oh, I can't break that. Get remaining time. Oh, I see. So remaining time. If remaining time is either... Okay, yeah, this will work. Let's go to the widget, which is right here. I need a new float. Remaining time. Back here, remaining time. So I'm going to have to make it something like 0.2 or 0.3 remaining time. It's updated every 0.2. I might have to change that to 0.1. Just so it updates better. Okay, so this needs to be a less than if remaining time is ever less than or equal to 0.2. I hope that one's not noticeable. Okay, let's see if the bar snaps or something. Which one's going to finish first? First, the player, it looks like. Okay, it did. I'm really trying to look at the bar to see if it snaps. Very, very subtle. If someone's really looking, maybe, but I think I can fix that problem if I go here and add 0.1. So I can make it, so I can fake the look of it being completed. Maybe 0.2. Oh no, okay, that's not going to work because it adds 0.1 every single time. So it needs to be either a way smaller number or... Yeah, let's make it a smaller number. Let's do 0.01. No, then if there's a really long attack, it will... Okay, well, it's just going to be ever so slightly noticeable. I doubt anyone will look hard enough. So they set a new attack, then I'll need to choose an attack. We can go here. No, that's right. The player needs some special stuff. Off of false, it will pause. Set game paused. Set game paused. Then it will wait for an input. It will wait for the next attack input. That ain't right. Paused might work if I set it up correctly. Nope, come on. There you go. This needs to be off of true. It will set the attack. It will... So this needs to be somewhere else so the player can navigate the menu. And then once they finish that, it will unpause. Okay. So once the player hits this, it should pause all those bars. Yes, but now you can really see that slightly noticeable. That's fine. So I need to make sure the buttons are not hittable. Apply button effects. Okay, I need another widget to unlock the buttons. Unlock buttons. And then after it's, I will add another thing so it can lock them back up. Let's add a boolean. Unlock. Okay. Battle. Get widget. I don't want it to be all widgets, but I oh no, it can be all widgets because only the player will have this. Widgets of class. This will be battle widget. Is that why I named it? Back here. No. Initiate battle. What? Okay, I think it is battle widget. That just whatever, and there's not named correctly. Let's go here. Battle widget. Where is it? Over here. Found widgets it will unlock. Unlock buttons. Unlock to chew. Oh, I had it right there also. Unlock to chew. Let's go here. Buttons. Main options. Get all children. Get all children. I guess I could just do enabled. Can I? No. For each. For each. This will have to be 2. So if unlock is true, it will... Let's start with locking them first. Enabled. Yep, enabled. I meant to set that. Set is enabled to false. Yeah, false. Okay, there we go. And now I need to do the same thing to set it to true. And then in the player I need to set this somewhere. I guess it could just be right here for now. False to lock them. Okay, let's see if that works. That did not work, unless this is... Nope. Let's see if it will randomly lock them. Nope, they are still enabled. Did I select the wrong thing? Clear back here. Main options, children. Unless I have to have it specifically a button. That's supposed to be true. Get that, nope. Okay, I'm going to do it this way then. And do the individual button. Make sure it's not top level. And let's see here. They are still enabled. Let's see if they get locked or something. Nope. Unless I'm just using the wrong command. If I go here, button name is enabled. If I disable that, will that do what I want it to do? Yep, that's how it's supposed to be. So it is enabled. So the command is enabled. Let's see. Go iterative class, battle button. Um, unless it's this that's not being set correctly. Nope, that is. Unless it's not finding the widget. It could be not retrieving the widget. Fail to get wood. Or got wood rather, because if it activates, it did activate, and if it doesn't, I will never see it. Okay, it did not retrieve the widget, that's why. I see. Okay. Oh, my mouse froze. Okay, there we go. So this is not getting, oh, top level. I need to disable that. Okay, that will solve all my problems. Now these should enable after the player hits the timer. I wonder if I could slow time also. And they did not enable. Why did they not enable? Unlock. Unlock is true, it will set them to enabled. I guess I can just skip this entirely and go here. Maybe it doesn't like the for loop. Make sure they're connected to the branch and not the actual thing. Now it should unlock them, so they should turn green. Nope. Maybe it just doesn't like the buttons. Maybe you have to get it through another way. Oh, target is widget. It needs to be widget component. Or maybe. Does it need to be widget component? What are you? I guess I could use an interface. That would work. Set. Nope, nope, I need to go. If I want to do an interface, I need to go here. Oh, no, yeah, you would already have it. Unless you are not having the interface. Oh, yep, you didn't have it. Compile save. Nope, that's not what I meant to press. Unlock button. It will get. This isn't the correct one. Yes, it is. Where is the... Oh, right there, I'm blind. Set enabled. Come on, hook up. There we go. And then if we go back to here, set enable, set enabled button, unlock buttons, that's what it was. That's call, nope. I keep selecting the wrong one. I think I've selected the same one every single time. Where's the message? I'm going to just assume this this will work with no consequences. Ooh, that's not what I need to do. False will lock them. I didn't get an error. Okay, let's see if this one works. Okay, will you turn green? You will. Not all of them, though. That's because these are set to hidden and not, or these are set to collapsed and not hidden. I need to change all of this to be collapsed, or hidden. Text and picture, initiate battle. I need all of you to be hidden. Come on, there we go, hidden. 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 I need to go back into the player and set all the buttons to hidden. Set is Is there none in here? Set visibility. No, there was only one. I guess I've controlled them all from the widgets. Okay, set visibility. Set visibility. So you need to be hidden, hidden, hidden. Oh, wait, nope. Visible. I need to redo the. What one was this? Visible, visible. Hidden. Visible. Okay. I think that will fix the problem. I'm also now realizing I need to allow the player to select the attack before it functions, because it just chooses one randomly. Nope, those are still collapsed or locked. Okay. There's probably something in another widget. Is there anything in here? No. Visible, visible. Occupies space. Okay, well, I can just. Oh, you know, that's right. Because it creates the buttons, and the buttons are automatically disabled. So when it creates a new button, I need to set it to enabled. Is this the main? Yes, this is the main options. I don't need that. Okay, let's button add child. This is spacer. I need to go back further. Right here. Set enabled to true. Okay, so I'm just going to change this timer so I don't have to wait a random amount of time every time. The next time will be a time of 3 seconds, just for the player. That's getting more and more visible. Okay, so that did not work. Category name is equal, battle name, button set enabled. Name the button. Okay. I'll just set it enabled inside the button itself. When it is named, it will get enable. Oh, yeah, so that's why it didn't work. It was trying to set, if I go back to it was trying to set like the border and canvas enabled, not the button. I didn't extract it that far. I need to make sure that everything is connected. Child, yep, okay. Save all, save. Okay. Attack, physical. Okay, yep, that does work. So when flee battle ended, event battle begun, battle attack. I thought I had an end battle. I do have an end battle. End encounter. That's what it was. Set game paused to false. Okay. Okay, yep. So now on unpauses. So I need to reorder some stuff so the player can. So battle begin. Set visibility, yes, that's fine. So it can't run attack just yet. Enemy attack, where did I apply button effects? I need to move this. This can't be here. It needs to be with the other. So we'll wait for this. I guess I can just hook it up here. I don't see why it wouldn't allow me to. So let's pause it. Set game paused to true. I need to set game pause to false also down here. Set game pause to true. Attack. Okay, yep. Set game paused to false. I thought I added that. Where did I put false at? I disabled attack. I have that right there. True. Go through here. I will set it to true until a button is pressed. So that means it needs to loop back down to here. I can get that after I see if this basic one works. So that's wrong. Okay, so I need the camera to move up first. I need to set the progress bar to 0, 0. Or no, I can just have the progress bar be 0, 0 by default. That will work. Set that to 0. What was I doing? Right here. Where's the camera at? Begin battle. It's right here. Okay. Let's This is not the one that was activating it. That's end. Which one was activating it? Right here. So how do I make the camera? Okay. I just need to add a 1.5 second delay. It's easy. Here's the timer. Initial start delay. 1.5. Ooh. I can't have a 1.5 delay every single one, so I'm going to need to duplicate that. You're right, I won't name it mana drain. It's called mechanical error. Oh, that's not correct. Why is that the way it is? You need a 1.5 delay. But then why did you cease to function after? Because I never selected the button, that's right. Duh. So these should not be functioning until There we go, that's functioning. So that 1.5 delay is unneeded. Let's get rid of that delay. And right there. Let's see. Begin battle. Paused. What starts the enemy attack? Let's see if I can find that. Oh, my mouse froze. There we go. Okay, does the enemy start its own attack? Yes, it does. I need this to go here. I need a do once. Do once. I need a... Yes, this can be done inside the here. Allow attack. Because all NPCs need to wait for the player input. Allow attack. Do this once and only once. And then it will cycle by itself. There's the button, here it is. Get all... This is not the correct spot. Where would it be? Right here? No. Unless it would be right here. Get all of class. No, interface. Okay, all actors with interface. To all characters. Allow attack. Is that not why I named it? That is why I named it. That's the wrong one. Okay, there we go. Okay. So I want to wait for this to be visible until the camera is all the way up. That should be pretty easy to do. So player, let's see, so battle begin, battle bar, yeah, attack from enemy, attack, button pressed. Probably I can delete this one. It's probably up here. Bill, oh, no. Oh, here it is. Let's move this back down here so this can hit it on finished. I hope that will actually activate and not just never activate, because sometimes it just doesn't hit it. Okay, that's great. So I need to hide this after it's been selected, or after some action has been selected. Let's go back into the widget and get rid of that. This. Nope, was it not that one? Was it you? No. Oh, here it is. Okay, so after an attack is selected, I thought I already had functionality to hide everything other than the main menu bar or main options bar. Unless I change it to visibility somewhere. Button pressed, pressed, print, it will get, if it's flee, sorry, what's that? That's not, is that correct? Oh, I guess it is. No, it's not correct, that's what I thought. Unless end encounter accidentally turned it on. No, it didn't. So, oh, my mouse froze. And then you need to be set to hidden. No, this is not correct. No, that is correct, maybe. Possibly, maybe. Flee. Nope, it turns back on. So let's undo that. Maybe it's within the instance, game instance. Destroy. Does the game instance not handle the end event? Where did I plug the end event then into then? Pressed. Visibility end encounter. It's within the player. End encounter. Unpauses, allows movement, sets the camera. Unless it's doing it from here. In that case, I need a do once. And then the reset will be after the encounter started, maybe. No. Okay, if I just disable this, will it? No, that means it will never show up. I can't do that. Okay, let's see what do once does. Okay, yeah, it does get rid of it. Oh, but I think there's a flaw in where I go back, it won't allow it, right? That is correct, so I need to reset it somehow. So what would the reset be? The reset would be end encounter after the camera is done moving. Let's add a delay of 2 seconds. And then if I trigger another encounter, okay, yep. Attack, physical, fully now. So off of an encounter, I need to hide the progress bar, or not progress bar, no, yeah, it is a progress bar. End encounter. Set visibility to hidden. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay, yeah, it does disable it. And it will re-enable it, that's great. Okay, I can stop that. So now I need a way to select the specific enemy I want to attack. How would I do that? Maybe a widget interaction. The laser pointer that hovers over widgets. Maybe. Selection. Would. Does this have any sort of visual clue to it? I don't think so. Oh, yeah, it does has a red arrow. Huh. So this shouldn't be on the enemy, it should be on me, and I need to somehow connect it to my mouse and point it down. Okay. Widget interaction. Select your. That means I need to use EventTick. Firstly, I should actually package the game and see if the things I did will work. Package HTML5. Let's see if this will actually function. Builds, it's not quite done yet. Okay, still waiting. Okay, there we go. Build done. Get the helper up. Open the browser. Localhost 8000. Okay. I'm a little confused on the method of that, but okay. So sometimes it does 2. Oh, everything froze. What happened? Everything froze. That's not good. Ah, game probably got paused. I'm not quite sure how to fix that one. So do these attack things happen anytime like this? No, that's going to be a little bit difficult to solve then. I'll work out some of the bugs later. Okay, so let's stop all that. I forgot what I was going to do. What was it doing? Oh yeah, selector. That's right. Yeah, this one's not going to work. That's going to be too intensive for the browser. Let's see if there's any type of... I could put a hover component down here if they have one. I guess an individual button would work also. Let's put you in the middle. Just make the button invisible. 5.5. And then I need an offset that goes not right. Down. Maybe right there. Let's see if that gets... Okay, yeah, I guess that would work. I think I need an on hovered though. Or no, what I was saying, I don't think the engine has any hover thing though. Oh, it does. So on hovered, I can just spawn a random sparky thingy McJig particles. For now, I'll just print screen. Print string, print string. Other. I'll also make the button invisible while I'm at it. Where's the appearance? Normal. Am I not allowed to change you? Why can I not change that? Okay, guess I just have to do it this way. Make sure all of these have minus alpha, no matter what. Okay, that will function, or it should anyway. I just need to make it bigger and add a visual cue. Let's see. So I probably should make it like that. On hovered, I'll allow it some opacity just so I can tell that I'm hovering on it. I need the one on the player to be disabled though. Okay. I could make this work. Though I should focus on getting rid of the random bugs I had on the browser version. Let's see what they were again. Localhost. Here I am. So it functions fine at first. Okay, that was fine. That was fine. Did I manage to select it twice or something? No? I guess the problems I were having were just schizophrenia acting up. I'm apparently purely delusional. Well, looks like I have no problems. Nope. Hello? Okay, there we go. So hover, let's create a new particle system. I'm gonna just craft a blank one. Let's mess around in here and see if I can get something. Emitter, origin, that's fine. Rotation, that's fine. Oh, I guess that could be fine. Is there like a... What if I were to put a sphere right in the middle that would push everything outside even more? Okay, never mind, can't push it. Let's make sure it can like spread it out a lot. Can I not do 1,000? There we go. They're all going that way. Oh, because that's the min. That the min, yeah, that's right. That needs to be a negative. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's way too much, but that I should be able to very obviously tell if I edit to the character. How am I going to hook it up? I did not think about that. Let's get this down first. Draws a box, that's fun. Unhovered, I guess I could do a 2-character, one of the things in the 2-character being hovered. Is there an unhover? Unhovered. There is an unhovered, okay. Then let's add a boolean particles viz. Okay. How am I going to get the AI character? Actually, it should be like parent of the parent or something. Particle Roach software. Okay. Particle. What did I even name it? Particle viz? Particles viz? What did I name you? Oh, hovered. That's right. And being hovered. That's why I named you. True. Unhovered would be false. Self. Get parent actor, I assume. Get parent actor. Get actor. Okay, let's print this. Print string. So I think it should be the parent of the parent. Problem solved. There we go. It apparently has no parent of a parent. My mistake. What is its then what is its parent? Apparently its parent doesn't exist. So how would I get the character? So when it's invented, I suppose I can, upon update, I can run a function. No, I can just add a function that will retrieve it. What? Oh yeah, widget, this is here. Retrieve character. That should work. So where is... It doesn't need to be there every time. It can just be right here. Retrieve character. No, that's not going to retrieve what I want. Get widget. Widget object. Get character. Retrieve character, that's what it was. It needs an object input. Nope, it was this one. Object. Just a normal object. Back here. Self. Okay, so back here. Where would I want to put this? I guess off of construct. That's not correct. I saw you for a split second. Where did you go? There you are. Oh, why was I trying to... I'm unsure. This will be parent actor acto. That's fine. Get put here, here. Let's make sure it's actually, it actually connects. Hovered, being hovered. That's incorrect. Event being hovered. Print string. Okay, yep, that is correct. So I need a particle system. Particle system. I guess that would make it pretty obvious. It can be right there. I'd prefer it down a little bit though. So enabled needs to be false. Or visible rather, I suppose. I hope it's not still carrying invisible data, but oh well. So if it's being hovered, why did my mouse freeze right here? Okay, there we go. So if it's being hovered, this wants to be set visibility. Actually, I can just skip that and go right here. That actually works a lot better than I thought it would. That's a little bit funky. Oh well, I can fix that later. So how do I make you a circle? I would create a not random, a custom particle, but I don't know how I would do like one of those ground circle things. I mean, I guess I could have just a random circle. Do these take materials? Yes, it does. Okay, so I guess it's just a circle on the ground that has a material that's animated so it goes upwards. Why did you, what did I do to you for you to be like that? Where is the velocity? I don't know why you're all going only that direction. Oh, 500. There we go. That will work for now. I need to have a... I need to figure out if those particles will activate in the HTML. I'm not sure how the browser handles particles. Waiting. There we go. Get you, open you. Oh, I already had the previous one open. Oops. There we go. Localhost. Okay, it handles the particles just fine. I was worried for nothing. And I still don't know how those magic little problems started, but they're far gone now. Okay. So I got a selection, so I need to make sure I have a way to select. I need to make sure it is actively being selected and not. Where did all my things go? Here they are. So I need a new thing called selected. Selected. That doesn't need to be that way, so that's fine. So back here on button pressed, clicked rather, selected. Okay. So if you're selected, I want you to play the exact same particles. These ones will just go super high. Velocity. I'll make this a lot more narrow, like 100. Okay. Back to the enemy. I'll duplicate you. Make you be the second one. Selected. I need to rename that. I also need to make a way where it's unselected also. Let's add a boolean to you. Okay, I know how I'll do it. Let's add that boolean. You like this start? Well, thank you. Okay, selected. So I need to get all characters. Nope. Get all with interface. Oh, I missed a message. What was that? How many submissions do you think will be viruses? Sorry, I missed your message. I don't have like any notification and I'm looking on a whole other monitor. How many, okay, so last time there was like 13.5K with 2,300-ish submissions. I'd say there's probably at least 10 per thousand. So I'd say there's probably closer to 3,000 this one. So I'm going to say 30 to 60. I think 30 to 60 will have viruses. Maybe that's a little too low because of this community. I don't know. Bare minimum, I'm going to say 30%. Not 30%, 10%, which I would say is probably around 30. That's not at all how the math works. What am I yapping about? 3%. I'd say at least 3%. 3 to 10. All widgets with interface. Character. It will firstly, if another one is selected, it will disable all of them. And then specifically set this one to enabled. Okay, this should be it. Oh, that was indeed not it. Unless I failed to implement something. Oh, yeah, right here. There we go. Okay, now this should work. It didn't undo it, which is not what I want. Let's make it undo. So selected, new visibility. So if it's not selected, that should be false. So I get, oh, widgets. I need to be actors with interface. Okay, now this should function the way I desire. Okay. And then I need to make the attack apply to the selected, which means I need to retrieve. Okay, it'd be easier if I add a tag to the character. Add tag, gameplay tag. Yeah, I guess it'd have to be gameplay tag. New gameplay tag. Selected. That's not at all how you do that. That's wrong. Selected. I'm not going to worry about. Oh, wait. Name selected. This will be in the default. Okay, there. It will add gameplay tag. Remove tag. This should be the same exact one. Come on, branch. There we go. If visibility is true, it will add the tag. If it's not, it will take away the tag. Let's see. Why are you mad? Oh, that's because it's not the character. Or the tag container, rather. Tag. Tag. Oh, what am I doing? It's a variable. Gameplay. Gameplay tags. This will be container. Gameplay tag container. Okay, so I need to make sure these are getting added and removed appropriately. How would I do that? I guess every time I click a button I can see, or if I could just begin play. Delay of 1 second. Get all actors with tag. Can this be a gameplay tag? Gameplay tag. Does add append remove switch. Okay, I'm not going to use tags. I'm just going to send this information to the player. Two player, nope. Two player, nope. Two player. Selected character. This will have to be an object. Or I guess in character. And this needs to be an object right here. Just a plain old object. This needs to be a function instead. Maybe. No, because you'll have to select it first, so it can be like this. On selected, get player character. Get player character. Selected. What did I name you? Why can I not remember? Selected character. Selected car. And the selected character would be self. Okay. So then I'll add in target action or something along those lines to action against target action. What do I want to name you? Action against so back here, action against, that's incorrect. Action, I want event action against. What am I making? In general or specific? In general as possible in RPG where magic is like nanobots and you have like some goddess Deus Ex Machina thing trying to control you because you have a high amount of nanobots in your blood because you're like from the future or something. If you want more general, it's a game for the Pirate Software Game Jam. And if you want specifically this thing, I'm trying to get some kind of targeted functionality towards a character. Print string. This will be self. I'll get the display name of self. I need I'll include this in battle. And what did I just name it? Selected? Okay, yeah. Where'd it go? There it is. This will be variable. This will be target character. Target character. And when event apply button pressed, attack. Oh, did I already? I guess I already had an attack. No, this is the self attack, right? Is it? Yeah, target is self, so that, okay. So apply, this would be allow attack. Oh, nice, good luck. Good luck. What the fuck? What is that word? Oh, a suggestion I have would be, I I have no ability to read. I have would be for some gems to help you rock it out. Okay. 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 That sounds good. What was I just doing? I completely forgot now. Enemy action against, that's what it was. Action against. That's incorrect. Action against. So I need to remove a bunch of, or I guess I don't, I can just change this. Text color, the white, 100. So you So attack against you. So that was character number 14. Okay, that's consistent. That's great. That's 8. I don't know where these numbers are coming from, but as long as it functions fine, I don't care. Okay, yeah. Seems consistent. I'm fine with that. Okay, well, I did something to it. That's not good. Could I, in theory, make the particles immune to pause? Surely I could. Particles. Let's go into here. Pause. Nope. Reset on detach. Maybe there's something in the project settings. Pause. Tick while pause. That's navigation. Vertical. Maybe editor preferences. I don't think that would do anything. Pause. Okay, yeah, that doesn't give what I want. Can I specifically unpause? That's not what I'm gonna do. Can I specifically unpause you if I ever pause it? Unpause timer. Okay, so instead of doing it like that, I'm going to need to pause all the timers, which isn't really that big of a deal. That's pretty easy. Where's the timer? Here it is. So, how do I pause you? Pause. Okay, yeah, that works. So anytime, let's I need them all to be replicated at the same time. So let's create a new function. Pause timers. So anytime pause timers is called pause timers. Nope, that's wrong. Recompile you. Even pause timers. Unpause. Unpause timer by handle. Let's add a boolean to you. Should pause. That's not correct. Okay, that's fine. So branch, hello, okay, there we go. So should pause, yes, should not pause, unpause, there we go. So every time pause. Oh, I had no pause in here. That's actually perfect. The character can control all. So set game paused. Get all character, get all actors with interface. Character for each of them. Pause. should should okay, pause. Oh, pause timers. Pause time. Pause timers message. Q? No. Hold up, let's grab. Get pause timers. Okay. There we go. That one can be removed. Let's just copy this. This needs paused and that can be selected. This one, that can just be deleted. And this needs to be unpaused. Oh, I'm already getting this, so I can just go like this. Okay, that should work. The particles should function fine. Okay, yep, particles still function. That's incorrect. There's probably a pause in here. Nope, there's no pause in there. Okay, let's see this. That was false. That one doesn't exist. Let's have a new search. So end encounter should unpause all the timers. That's fine. What's this? So an attack, wait for that, should pause. Yes. That one can be removed. Okay, so I think there's a pause one more place somewhere. Maybe. So you have an attack, follow through, go through that, and locks the buttons. Or it locks the buttons rather. This applies the attack. Where is it missing? Is it within the event graph? Is there one in here I missed? I know this shows me all of them. Never mind. Okay, let's see, where does it not do it? So after the buttons don't. Oh, I'm missing the self pause. That's what it is. Where's yours? Yours was next to attack. No, there wasn't a pause right there. That's not correct. Hold up. What did I do? Battle. True, false, it will. This keeps, it might not be that it's not paused. I think it just caught in a loop somewhere. Unless there's a pause in here or something. I don't think so though. Nope. So let's find that loop. It should be in here. Is it not here? No, it's not. It was... It should be this one. What happened to the progress bar stuff? Oh, it's a function, that's right. So then that would not be the problem. Let's see. I'll turn off looping. Unless this is just refusing to print true. It works fine for the first one. So something else is reactivating it. Is pause timers reactivating it? No, it shouldn't. Actually, it might be activating it. I could set, so to get around that, if it is activating it, I could just set this to an absurdly large number. And then there would never be a difference. Because it should refresh after a moment and okay, pressing a button is not refreshing it. So I must have disconnected something. Apply effects. Attack. Let's have the minimum be 1, the maximum be 3. So it's probably not this. I just didn't get it reset because of that. So this should solve the problem. Physical. I suppose not. Let's go back to the character. Action against. event pause. Would that be causing the problem? No, it would not. Because that doesn't lead into anything. Attack. That one, that one, that one. Attack. That one, that one. I wonder what would happen if I just don't allow that one. Okay, yep, that completely prevents that. Oh. So unless it really expects this so much that it's not doing anything. Pause, unlock buttons. I don't think that did what I wanted, but I guess I can check. Nope. Unless this actually is supposed to pause the player timers also. I can toss those in. Select you. I closed the player by accident. Player. There we go. True will pause, false will unpause it. Actually, no, I think it was paused because even if it is paused, it will reset it. So if I do that, okay. Oh, there we go. But now I want that to if that is the way it is, I want it to actually be empty. So I'll select this. I always want the progress bar to be empty before an attack rather than full. Setting it all to 0, no. Max should be 1. There we go. That should be fine. Yep, there we go, it resets. Okay. There we go, that works. Now if the encounter is ended, I need to make sure the characters get destroyed. Build encounter. Okay. So build encounter, end encounter. I don't want to be end. Clean up encounter. This will handle giving the player all the resources they get or destroying the enemy. Let's add a boolean to check if the player fled or not, or failed. Failed. Okay. Event cleanup. Okay. So if they failed, I would want them all to... What class are you? Spawner? I think it's spawner. Okay, all actors of class. Spawner. That's not how you spell it. Spawner. Destroy. Destroy actor. Okay, player. Oh yeah, I moved the player over here. So where's end encounter? Event graph. Event end encounter, here we go. You. Clean up encounter. That's not correct. So what's activating end encounters at you? Yes, it is. I need a boolean to see if they failed or not. One thing got moved and I can no longer remember where anything is. Nope, come on. Failed. Boolean. Back to the button. Flee. True. Yep. Players clear back here. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh, that I was half expecting it to not work. That's perfect. Okay. I need to clean a bunch of this up. I'm not going to bother. So, what next? I would love to go for one more hour. At least. Okay, let's start with the damage and everything. So action value, these two should have no, I'll just delete that one. That one has no action. This one will be 20 damage. That will be 10 damage. Let's add an action cost. I already did. That was ahead of the curve. Okay. Yep, that will work. So, battle. Is this check? Okay, this is checking if it's an attack or defense or something. So it's not an attack, it will check if it's a support. Okay, I need to separate these. If it's an attack, it needs to be... This is extremely poorly built. Let's hook this back up. Action against. I already have this, okay. I need some variables on it. Action against. Where did it go? Right there. So let's have just damage to start with. I guess that will be the only one I have right now. So got damage. Let's go to enemy damage, attack against. Where's attack against? So I'll get, I never set up any HP. That's something. Unless that's something I'm supposed to do in the spawner. Where did, here the spawner is? No. But I do need to delete the spawner because the spawner is what? I guess I don't need the spawner. No. Okay. That will actually be fine. I'll just create another interface for the spawner. That's not the correct button. Let's see where here is. To spawner. Oh, I guess I already had one. Never mind. Destroy. I can't name it destroy. Death functions. That will work. And basically death functions will just mean that it gets deleted. Unless I have the... What the heck is this? Never saw that. Unless I have the resources be given by the spawner, which might make it cleaner. Do you not implement your own interface? You do not. Okay. So when death functions is called, it will just destroy self. So I'm just going to assume I can get parent of self. What? That's not what I meant to do. I'm assuming parent of self would be the spawner. Get parent actor. Okay, so let's get this a branch in here that checks if. Nope, I need health, not a macro. Health. I can delete the tags. There should be a float. I'll make it 100. Get. Let's set the default to 100. Compile default. 100. There is. Default is 100. Health minus damage would be health. Okay, and then if health is ever less or equal to 0, less than equal to, or yeah, less than equal to 0. If it is, it will helpfully destroy self. Okay, let's see if that works. I need to make sure I have that one selected. That did 10 damage. This one 30. We're at 50, 60, 70, or that would be 80, 100. So you're supposed to be gone. Unless I didn't plug something in, and that's completely possible. Oh, players over here. What am I doing? Did I move player back? I guess I moved player back at some point. Yep, I had nothing plugged in. Action value, there we go. So you 20, 40, 60, 80. So this one should destroy it. Yep, it's gone. Okay. So the next thing is I would like it to be applied when the timer stops. Where would I do that though? I could. I guess I could drag it to this, but that might end terribly. Let's actually promote this to variable. After it gets through all these random trues, this can go here. Okay. And then I want this to print action value instead of that, just to make sure. Let's go here. 0, so it's not being set. That's what I thought. So, okay, I guess I can still test it. I'll just need to fix that at some point. 60, 80. Okay. Attempted to access destroyed. Yeah, I'm aware. Okay. Tried to access something that didn't exist. Okay, so why did it not accept the first time? Oh, unless I have attack played somewhere else, then it was just waiting. I don't think so though. I'm going to leave this open for debug. Where's the... Am I blind? I thought there was... Oh, right here. Yeah, I am blind. Okay. So I'll probably need to completely redo that. So I saw... So it's flashing over here. So they're trying to attack even though that their timer is paused, which means that's something I need to fix at some point. Let's actually check this for the first attack. I need to push this off screen. So there's no reason why that shouldn't have worked. I saw it flash, but I couldn't see it. Over here, 0. Oh, nope, it did not flash. Okay. So the first click isn't activating this for some reason. Oh, I didn't have debug selected. That's probably why. That's not all I meant to do. Okay, maybe I can just squish this down here so you all can see it also. Okay, that will work. Let's toss it. No, don't do that. Let's toss it like right there. Uh, not that. Come on. Okay, I can place it right there. And so it did flash, but I need to really watch that again. Select that debug. So maybe it's just failing somewhere. Nope, it hit the set and it's within this loop. Where does it apply the damage at? Wait, hold up. Yeah, where am I applying the damage? Am I blind? The answer is yes. Is it not here in the battle? Hold on. What was that called? Action against? Where where are you? You are right there. Oh, by pause, that's right. So it's not being paused the first time? What? That doesn't make sense. That's not how I meant to do. Please come back. Where do you go? There you are. Okay, so why do you not get set? Okay, I got it. I shall set it over here instead. Yep, everything's still connected. Okay, that did the damage. 10, 20, 30. Oh, no, that's 40. 60. 80. So this one should destroy it. No? Did I miscount? Huh. Oh, yep, it's being set only to the first one. So it does need set right here. But for some reason that's not. Unless my problem will magically go away now. Ten, 20, 60, 60, 80. This one should destroy it. Nope. Hmm. Did I accidentally disconnect you? No, I did not. That should be correct. Let's print health also. Print string. Let's print this. Let's make it like that color. Okay, it's not hitting, it's not reaching. What? Maybe it is. What's that hello from? Is that hello the health and I just forgot to set it up? No. What was the hello? That's not it. That's not it. You. Okay. But it's not hitting the target character. Because I didn't select one. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It didn't hit the target character because I didn't select a target. Now it should. It did not. Oh yeah, it did 80. There we go. So is now activating the first one, which is great. 20, then this is 20, and then it should die. There we go. I'm going to force the character to select one. If selection is blank, it will never select it. So target character. What turns this one? Disable you. No. No, I do want it to be visible. I just want it to be locked. Or disabled, rather. Where did I put the disabled stuff? What was it even called? Unlock buttons, that's right. Okay, here we go. Rather, there we go. Stop, don't. I don't know where I am. Where was I going to place this? Where is the target actor? Oh, there it is. I just need to go up more. I will unlock all of these. So I need to run a check if it's ever blank. And if it is blank, I need to disable these. I can actually just run the check right here. No, the check shouldn't be right here. It should be down here, and it should be is valid. get that. Is valid. Okay, this one. If it is valid, I want nothing to happen. If it's not valid, lock the buttons. Oh. Okay. I think I also need to lock them by default. Right here. There we go. Let's. Nope, that did not work. They were not locked. Let's kill this one and see if they lock. So it did not lock. That means it is valid somehow. So I guess I can switch and see if the other one works. Something is overruling the locked also. Attack. Is it? No, this one's not overruling it. Event graph. Somewhere there's an overruling. It wouldn't be in here. So this one, that shouldn't be an issue. Neither. No, that one's correct. That's how it's supposed to be. I think that's the wrong widget. Nope, it is not. Okay. So when button is selected, it will select all the buttons and do that. If I unlock, can I select? No, I cannot select the other one. Okay, I think I can actually just search for or add target character here. Not target character. What are you called? Selected character. Okay, yeah, that. And then let's switch the valid one. Let's look at this one. If it is not valid, nope. Engine, hello, please. There we go. Okay, let's see here. Well, that's already incorrect, so 40, 20. Okay, so hopefully these turn off. No. Okay, is it looking for... Okay, I see. Let's check if it's equal to the enemy character or not. Okay. That's still incorrect. Dang. That sucks. Unless this just isn't doing what I think it's doing at all. Wait, why is it over here? This is supposed to be up here. I don't know why I put it down here. If it's in the correct spot, let's now see. Okay. It's inverted. Then if I go like that, that should work. Okay, maybe not. Okay, that is not correct. So let's switch it back. Okay, wait, on death I need to... Where's the enemy? On death I could probably also... return the character as nothing. to widget. What widget am I transporting it to? It shouldn't be a widget, it should be the player character. Oh, selected character. I inputted the wrong one. Nope, that's not correct. There we go. So let's return it as nothing. So on event constructed inside the player, I should also turn it to nothing. No, its default value is blank, so it shouldn't matter. Hmm. Up here. Okay, I think it's trying to select. I think it's trying to make it exactly that when I just need it to be the enemy in general. No, can't do hashtag. Equal class? No. Oh wait, no. I can actually transfer it to class, that's right. Get class. And then if the class is equal, because the classes shouldn't have different names. Okay, that should work better. Let's try that again. Okay, it doesn't work immediately, but maybe it will work after. Okay, does this turn them off? No, it does not. Unless it's automatically being turned on by this down here. Where is it? Here it is. Let's just completely pass this. And let's create a custom event to check. Custom event check selection. Let's do this. Okay. Where is it? Where'd it go? Right here. Okay, it didn't immediately break, which is good, I guess, but it didn't immediately work either. And now it's okay. That's incorrect. Why are you like that? If it's not equal, it's supposed to cancel them or hide them. So I guess they aren't equal then. But that didn't matter when I selected it first, so I guess I missed some other unlock somewhere. None of them would do what I want, so let's try something else. Let's just get the class. Okay, so it didn't select get the class. So it's adding, okay, let's see. Let's see if I can do actor in general and that would work. Probably not. No, that did not work. Okay, let's see. Stop snapping me all over the place. Buttons, da 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 da. So this is the one I switched, and my mouse photo is great. I guess I can run a check here also. So if this is equal to something, let's make sure it's passing what I want it to pass from here. Nope, that's correct. Let's see. String true. Fascinating. Then if it's not that, what is the object? Let's copy that. Now let's do object name. What is your object name? Okay, what's your object name? What? That would explain it. It's doing all of them. Okay, let's... Okay, I think I need another check right here to see if it's empty or not. So if this is just empty, do nothing. If it's not empty, continue on. Would that work fine? No, it does not. Okay, let's print this display name again. It's still doing all of them. So it must be a lapse within the how the character hands over this information. No, it shouldn't, because it's able to apply the damage to the one specific one. Ugh. So this works just fine. So that shouldn't be an issue. What was I trying to do? Oh yeah, change the buttons based on what I select. Okay, let's check the check selection. Let's remove these from here. Up here, check selection. And this should automatically turn off the buttons. Yeah, not immediately though, for some reason. Maybe I should add that on the back of the camera also. I can't check if it's empty. It's, I can't even think of how I would do this unless I try this again. Why? That's not where that goes. Oh, it works now. It no longer works. Okay, well, I'm actually going to stop here for the day. I will be streaming again later in like maybe 6, 7 hours. I'll see you all then. And goodbye.